Kawasaki Racing Team, KRT, has launched its 2024 WorldSBK project with riders Alex Lowes and Axel Bassani unveiling the factory Ninja ZX-10RR. The team introduced new color schemes, graphics packages, and team clothing styles, with Cheshire Moldings as the primary sponsor and Modal joining as a new sponsor. Significant changes have occurred within the KRT effort, including a revamped rider lineup with Lowes and newcomer Bassani. Lowes now has Per Reba as his crew chief, while Marcel Duinker oversees Axel's on-track progress. The team has also refreshed its pit crew and personnel lineup. Following winter development and testing in Spain and Portugal, the Ninja ZX-10RR has undergone upgrades to its engine, allowing for additional peak revs and modifications to engine inertia. Additionally, KRT has partnered with Modal as a main sponsor for the 2024 WorldSBK season. Alex Lowes expresses optimism for the season, citing improvements in the bike's manageability over race distance. Bassani is pleased with the new livery and looks forward to a competitive season ahead. Team manager Gim Rhoda acknowledges the balanced rules introduced for the season, emphasizing the competitiveness of the championship. He anticipates tight races and highlights the strong lineup of riders on the grid, making it the most exciting and competitive season since KRT's inception in 2012.